Hello guys, and welcome back to Alice Cooper. Today I'm going to be unboxing GE 9x9, DNA 3x3 concave cube, and $5 mystery puzzle. And it also came with D&M 37. Here we go. First off, we're going to be unboxing GE 9x9. Okay, so this cube is very big, 9x9, stickerless. Oh, it's very smooth. Turns nicely. Bit tight, but that's kind of what you want for a big cube like this, that you're not speed solving. And yeah, it turns very nicely. Like it a lot. Next up is the GE concave DNA 3x3. So let's see here. So feels nice. Turns nice. The concave, can't really tell if it helps or not, but yeah, it feels nice. It's very smooth, and the DNA on it feels really cool in your hands. So good cube. And last is the $5 mystery puzzle. So I got YJ Guan Sudo 4x4. Came in white plastic and stickered, and let's see how it turns. So smooth, I guess. It's okay. It's okay. Good budget cube. Feels nice. I mean, it'd be good for a budget cube or your first 4x4. So yeah. And with all those cubes came with a D&M 37 and D&M 37 fast loader kit. So this will be useful too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.